Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be testing some alkaline water's pH. So supposedly I just got this at the store. I don't like plastic, but once in a while I get it. This is supposedly pH 8.88. So hello Sarah, how's it going? So this is supposedly 8.88 from Iceland. Natural spring water. pH 8.8. So it's naturally, let's see, the source is on here somewhere. Filtered through the lava rock. High pH of 8.6 to 9.1. So let's see if it's true. I'm going to test it myself just to find out. All right, here we go. This is my first time ever having this one. Iceland, so here's the pH strips I'm going to use. Here's one already ripped out. These are just little pieces of paper, special type of paper. And the pH goes from 1 to 14. 7, above 7 is alkaline, below 7 is acid. So, drum roll. I can't do one. Okay, let's just go for it. Here we go. That was easy. Now, let's see, was it really 8.88? I don't think so. Don't think so at all. That doesn't look like 8.8, does it? Maybe. It looks more like 7 to me, but I'm colorblind. This one was sitting out. I wonder if it... Hello, Ashley. I'm checking the pH of this alkaline water. So let's see. Well, what is it? I think it's closer to 7, but this is why I need an electronic. What do you think? Somebody comment, because I'm colorblind over here. Is this more towards 8 or what? Well, at least it doesn't look like, at least it's not, to see if it makes a difference. I swear it's not. Isn't that 7? I think they're full of crap. I don't think that was 8.8. I'm going to test another one now, just because I'm... All right, get this one out of here for a minute. I'm going to drink this. Let's try this one. Flow, 100% naturally alkaline. This is supposedly 8.1. Let's try this one. Get this dirty one out of here. These are plant-based caps. Isn't that funny? Okay. Here's this one. What do you think? Yeah, this looks closer to 8. But this was the other water. See the difference? It's much different. This was the plastic bottle that was supposedly 8.8 right here, and this was the water or the the paper carton, and it's supposed to be 8.1, but it looks to me like this one is actually more alkaline, even though it doesn't say on the package. There you have it, folks. That's different, right? Hello. Well, the plastic water bottle looks like it was falsely advertised, but it's still slightly alkaline. The paper one seems to be more alkaline, even though it says it's only 8.1 pH. I think that the other one is not true. Was supposed to be 8.88, but nope. There you have it. All right, see you in the next video. It looks like Thursday I'm going to be doing a live webinar, so make sure you tune in because I'll announce it, the time and everything in the groups, but I put a poll there. If Thursday's not good for you, go vote in the poll and say which time is better. All right, see you in the next live video. Peace.